Hi, this is Dirk from B&B Auto Sales. Today we're going to show you our 21 Jeep Grand Cherokee Limited. Very nice condition, just one that come off lease. You might see a minor chip there or maybe a minor scratch, but that's it. Got Michelin tires on it. Very optioned up nicely. There's a small, that ain't even a chip. That was just a but there's a couple little things. We try to show you everything we can, but very nice condition. I mean, the interior is basically perfect. Low miles for 21, 37, 250. 2 keys with remote start, heated seats, navigation, heated steering wheel. There's your adaptive cruise. Also has blind spot, Alpine stereo, memory seats. Got the buckets in the middle that are heated. There's all your heater controls, USB 110. There's your rear seats. These L's are nice. They got good room. Got power rear hatch. This is a limited, of course. So you can see a few, not many scratches on a plastic bumper. So just shows you what kind of shape it's in. Small little chip right there. No, that's also a little bit of stuff. So very, very few minor chips on it. That's about it. You don't even hardly see a scratch on it. It's one of our certified ones. Oh, there's my worst thing on the whole thing. Got a little ding with a little scratch. Certified 7-year, 112,000 mile warranty on it. So 7 years from when it went to production, or in the odometer gets to 112. Probably the best warranty you'll get from anybody. So if you're looking for a Grand Cherokee L, this is a very nice one. 605-692-7010.